too, so you guys can see this. And I have 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas. Hope everyone has had a great holiday so far. Today is another holiday unboxing. Guess what I got for Christmas? Let's open the box. Ta-da! It's from Dior. So I already opened this one, so I know what it is. It's on absolutely one of my wish list, and my husband got it for me. So thank you so much for my husband to give this Christmas gift for me to me. So let's open this up. I just really love this, the stars from Dior. Their packaging is always beautiful. Alright, just don't want to, so you guys can see this. And I have 1, 2, 3 more stars, and of course the bag. It's on top of my wish list. So excited. Can you guess? Do a drum roll that we can guess. Okay, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's open this up. Yes, I got Lady Dior in lambskin. Love it. This is a size small. Open the charm. Oh. As every single thing has been wrapped. Okay, I will unwrap it later. But you can see all the charms here. And it also has a bow on top. The handle. It's a small size, not mini, so it has pretty good size on here. So on top it has this flap here. And has the belt. And of course has all the card, receipts, here instructions. Okay. And in here it's pretty roomy. Yeah, pretty roomy. I'll do a size check just in a minute. And it smells so good. It does have a feet also underneath, 4 feet. Okay. Right, let's do a size check. Can it fit all my essentials? Alright. First, phone. Check. Keychain. Check. Wallet. Check. Makeup pouch. Oh, little snuggie. but check. So that's how it fits right now. It can still fit more stuff. Here's how it looks. It's perfect size, absolutely perfect size. It's a little bit heavy, but it's absolutely fit all my essentials. Now, this you can do is handhold or wear like this, or they also come with stripes. So with stripes, you can customize it. Pretty long stripes. It's good for crossbody. Let's be careful here. I want to scratch. I don't know how easily this will be scratched, but I want to scratch on the first day. Did y'all have a good Christmas so far? Hopefully you got all your wish list. I certainly has a lot of wishes this season, but just really thankful for the family, thankful for be able to spend time with family and friends, and enjoy a peaceful and joyful season. Hope you guys have done the same. So this is the stripe. It's pretty long, so we can put on here too. Let's put right here. I sold one of my Dior the saddle bag. It just because the shape couldn't really put all my essentials in here, but with this, it truly can fit everything. Here's the bag. It's really, really long. Definitely good for me. There's a little bit more. You can still adjust the stripe a little bit, but not too much room. What I did custom a little bit. It's free. You can pick 3 kind of little charms. This is what this is 3 charms for. It's nothing really big, but really I chose my you can choose anything. You can choose initials or different symbols. Some of them have additional charge. Some of them are these, I believe they are included as the part of the price. So I choose my choose the initials ACE. And then also my initials, I believe I also chose a star or a heart. I don't know which one it is yet. I'll show you in just a second. But they all come with this little cute, really cute bag. I just love their packaging. Oh, I chose a star. Look at this fancy star. That pretty? Oh, I love it. So I have a star, I have an A, and also have a cute D's here. Okay, so I chose 3. You can add more. Definitely can add more. So these are 3. You can see it. They're so cute. What you can do, I believe, you can open this up. This little side. And you can put, that's, I think, okay, let's try it out. You and I try it out. Something with stars. A. Sorry, put A first. little snuggie. It's pretty easy to do. Like that. Yeah. And that's pretty much, you can decorate your bag. A little charm there. And then I always test out my crossbody length. Sorry, I'm a little bit festive today. Let's do it. Oh, cool. What you can do if you want the stripes down, I can maybe put this stripe either inside or a little bit down so that it can fall down easily, so it doesn't feel like stick out. That's how it looks. I absolutely love this bag so much. Yeah, this is it. I just want to share this gorgeous bag with you. And hopefully everyone has really amazing holiday season. And I'll see you in the new year. Happy holidays, everyone. Bye.